In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a special offer on Airbnb. If you've ever had a guest reach out with specific dates, a longer stay, or a particular request, a special offer lets you tailor the booking details and price just for them. It's quick, flexible, and keeps everything within Airbnb's secure system. First, head to Airbnb.com and log into your host account. From your hosting dashboard, open your host inbox by clicking Messages. This is where all guest conversations live, and it's the place you'll send the offer from. Next, open the conversation with the guest you want to send the offer to. The special offer option appears only when the guest has started the conversation by sending an inquiry or a reservation request. If you don't see the option yet, kindly ask the guest to send a quick inquiry from your listing so the system recognizes the thread and unlocks the button. Inside the conversation, look just below the message box for the Send Special Offer button. Click it, and you'll see a form where you can customize exactly what you're offering. Here, adjust the check-in and check-out dates to match what you and the guest have discussed. Update the number of guests so the pricing and rules apply correctly. Then set the nightly price you'd like to extend for this stay. If needed, you can modify the cleaning fee to reflect the length or nature of the booking. As you make changes, Airbnb automatically recalculates the total price for the guest, so you can see precisely what they'll pay before you send it. Take a moment to double-check everything: dates, guest count, and the final total. Clear, accurate details help avoid confusion and set the right expectations. When everything looks good, click Send Offer. The guest will receive your custom quote immediately and has 24 hours to accept it. During that window, feel free to keep the conversation going in the same thread, to answer questions, and confirm what's included. If they accept within the deadline, the reservation is instantly confirmed and your calendar is blocked for those dates. If they decline or the offer expires, nothing changes on your calendar, and you can always send a new offer if plans shift. That's all there is to it. Open your host inbox, find the conversation, tap Send Special Offer, tailor the details, and send. It's a simple way to say yes to great guests while staying in control of your pricing and availability.